Hi guys.
How are you doing?
I hope you're well, and I hope everybody else that is around you is well. We have started these brand new videos. We're going to be coming to you every so often across the next couple of weeks with Wind Up Wednesday. Why is it called Wind Up Wednesday, Saf?
Because Chris and I are both very competitive, especially against each other. So whoever loses gets really annoyed. And usually it's Chris that loses, so, I mean...
And if you believe that, you believe anything. Wind Up Wednesday. Hey. So, Saf, what we got to do today?
Today, we have, with the very first slice of lemon, we have to try and eat it without, like, flinching our faces at all. Once we get past that, we have to try and eat as many pieces as we can. First one to tap out loses.
Okay. I've just suddenly realised I've actually got an ulcer under my tongue, so this is going to be interesting. So,
yes.
You want to go first, or...?
We're going to do it together.
We're doing it together, right.
Okay,
so this is...
No, that's tiny. For your first one, you have to do.
Got to do. But you never said that. So we've got to look at the camera. What is this without flinching?
Yeah. Oh, okay. I need to go see. I'm ready.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. I think I won that.
Oh. This is so grim. How are you doing? Oh, you're actually probably... I don't think I can... You actually ate it.
I did.
I was just doing the juice.
Can you show everybody faces?
I'm not impressed. Okay, you won that one, but I'm going to keep going.
Oh, we got to keep going? Alright. So, it's good. Lemon's good for it. It's good disinfectant.
I think I'm going to be sick.
Good clean your hands, you know, make sure. Okay. Oh, my goodness, babe. Well, the very first Wind Up Wednesday didn't last very long because
I genuinely think I'm going to be... I'm going to try one more.
I think I wouldn't.
No, I'm eating more.
Oh, that's for me.
Okay, I'm done.
Right, you didn't manage those, so I'm going to finish this stuff out.
I need to go.
Stay tuned.